In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily change the page labels and links on your VEVS website. With the VEVS website builder, you can customize the names and URLs of your pages. Each page has a unique name. For example, here we have the Get in Touch page. You can see the page name in the address bar of your browser. The VEVS website builder uses standard web page extensions like .html, which you can change along with the page name and URL. To make these changes, follow these simple steps. Open the website editor. Navigate to the page you want to edit. From the toolbar, select the Page Settings button. In the Label and URL tab, you can change both the page name and its URL. If you prefer to keep the same URL, just leave it as is. Once you save your changes, the page will update with the new label and URL if modified. There's no need to manually update menus and links, as the website builder takes care of that automatically. If you need any assistance with setting up your VEVS software, don't hesitate to get in touch with our team.